feed us bread. Why bread is harmful to us. Bread creates a feeling of satiety, but does not provide us with necessary nutrients for survival. Having full bellies of bread means we do not eat the food we need, and thus we get sick. Breadcrumbs contaminate the water. This is what leads to the growth of ugly algae on the surface of the pond. Thus the fish lack oxygen and it dies, and the water starts to stink. From pigeons we can get various avian infectious diseases and die. What is good for us to eat? Finely chopped salad, bird seed, peas, corn, oats, chopped or grated vegetables, dandelion, plantain or clover leaves.